Buying Apple products with Apple gift card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Apple products with Apple gift card. So let's get started. The process is simple. In order to do that, you have to make sure you're on Apple Mastercard, which you need to use in order to pay for the products. So the Apple Mastercard will look something like this. So first of all, you have to add that gift card into your Apple account. So what you have to do is you have to go to your Apple store, and here you have to click on your profile and it will go to account option, and here you have the redeem gift card or code option. It will take you to the next screen. From here you can use camera, or you can also enter your card manually. And after the card is added, you just have to use your card to buy products from Apple. That's all. That's how you will be able to buy products with Apple gift card. And that's all. Thanks for watching.